Do you love classic cars? Then you won't want to miss this detailed look back at the 1964 Ford Fairlane Thunderbolt, one of the most important cars in automotive history. We're taking a detailed look back at the 1964 Ford Fairlane Thunderbolt, a factory drag race version of the iconic Fairlane. With only 100 units ever produced, this car is a true rarity, and it has a fascinating history that's sure to interest any gearhead. However, before we begin our video, we'd greatly appreciate it if you'd subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. When reflecting on the 1964 Ford Fairlane Thunderbolt, one cannot overlook its outstanding performance capabilities. The car was specifically designed for speed and power, and it undoubtedly delivers on its promise. Fueled by a 427 CID high-rise engine, the car can produce a maximum output of 425 horsepower, and some even suggest that it could produce closer to 500 horsepower. Its formidable engine makes it a formidable competitor on the racetrack. The car's impressive acceleration is another noteworthy feature. In only 4.6 seconds, the Thunderbolt can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour, and it can complete a quarter mile in just 11.8 seconds at a speed of 123 miles per hour. These statistics are nothing short of remarkable and speak to the car's outstanding performance capabilities. It's no surprise that the Thunderbolt earned a national top stock crown in 1964, as it's clear that the car's capabilities outmatched those of its competitors. Even though the 1964 Ford Fairlane Thunderbolt's impressive performance is what most people remember, its understated appearance is equally intriguing. This car's classic sedan design represents the 1960s era with a simple and elegant look. The raised hood was designed to accommodate the high-rise engine, while the front grille is relatively unobtrusive. The only distinguishable feature between the Thunderbolt and the regular Fairlane is the front lights, with one on each side removed for the race car variant. Despite being a race car, the Thunderbolt still has a timeless aesthetic that reflects the era in which it was built. Its subtle appearance can be attributed to the fact that the car was primarily intended for drag racing, where speed was paramount and flashy designs were not a top priority. The Thunderbolt's restrained appearance has only added to its allure and made it even more of a collector's item today. Due to its limited production and outstanding racing achievements, the 1964 Ford Fairlane Thunderbolt commands a high price tag, which is not surprising. Its rarity and impressive record have transformed it into a highly coveted car, with an average worth of $162,664 on the auction platform Classic. Only 7 sales of this model have been documented, with the highest priced car being sold for $302,500 and the lowest priced car fetching $26,250. It's important to note that the standard Ford Fairlane is also considerably expensive in the used car market. The Thunderbolt's high cost isn't only due to its performance and racing record, but also because of its exclusivity. Ford only produced 100 of these race cars, which made them even more desirable among collectors. Additionally, the Thunderbolt was built for a specific purpose: drag racing. It wasn't intended to be a mass-produced car for everyday use, which further increased its rarity value. The 1964 Ford Fairlane Thunderbolt's significance in automotive history extends beyond its remarkable performance and price value. It's a revered and iconic car that secured a notable place in the history books. The Thunderbolt's racing legacy continues to be celebrated today, and it's regarded as one of Ford's most important and coveted cars ever produced. The Thunderbolt's racing prowess was a critical factor in maintaining and increasing the popularity of the Fairlane nameplate. It not only helped to boost Ford's performance reputation, but also established the Fairlane as a competitive contender in the racing industry. Moreover, the car's limited production and racing success have contributed to its cult-like status in the automotive world. And there you have it, a detailed look back at the 1964 Ford Fairlane Thunderbolt. This race car is a true icon in automotive history, with impressive performance, an understated look, and a high price tag that reflects its rarity and importance. If you're a fan of classic cars, this is one car that you won't want to miss. So be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all our latest videos. And we'll see you in the next one.